These 20 Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to make your life easier, faster, and more efficient. From smart tools to time-saving solutions, these products help you cook better, reduce effort, and upgrade your daily routine. All the links are in the description below. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, the Solida Plate Gripper. A simple yet powerful tool that helps you safely lift hot plates, bowls, and dishes without burning your hands. It provides a strong grip, reduces the risk of slips, and makes handling hot cookware easier and safer. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, it saves effort, improves safety, and adds convenience to your cooking routine. Number 2, the Sungwoo Extra Long Silicone Oven Mitts, designed to give you maximum protection while cooking or baking. They are heat-resistant, waterproof, and provide a strong non-slip grip for better control. The extra-long design protects both your hands and arms from burns, making them perfect for ovens, grills, and hot cookware. Durable, flexible, and easy to clean, they make cooking safer and more convenient. Number 3, the Alpha Grilla's Instant Read Meat Thermometer, a must-have tool for perfectly cooked meals every time. It gives you fast and accurate temperature readings in seconds, helping you avoid undercooking or overcooking. Perfect for grilling, baking, or everyday cooking, it improves food safety, saves time, and ensures better taste and consistency. Easy to use, compact, and highly reliable. Number 4, the Automatic Electric Drinking Water Bottle Pump, a smart and convenient way to dispense water without lifting heavy bottles. With one-touch operation, it delivers smooth and controlled water flow, saving effort and reducing spills. It improves hygiene with touch-free use, saves time in daily routine, and is perfect for home, office, or travel. Compact, rechargeable, and easy to install, it makes everyday hydration more convenient and hassle-free. Number 5, the Hometown Soup Maker Machine, a smart all-in-one appliance that lets you prepare fresh soups, smoothies, and more with minimal effort. It blends, cooks, and heats automatically, saving time and reducing manual work in the kitchen. Perfect for healthy meals, it helps you control ingredients, improve nutrition, and enjoy fresh homemade food anytime. Easy to use, easy to clean, and ideal for busy lifestyles. Link in description. Number 6, the Starfruit Retardo Express Electric Peeler, a quick and effortless way to peel fruits and vegetables in seconds. It automatically removes the skin with precision, saving you time and reducing hand strain. Perfect for potatoes, apples, and more, it makes meal prep faster, easier, and more consistent. Simple to use, efficient, and a huge time saver in any kitchen. Number 7, the Dowlife Cut Resistant Gloves, a simple way to protect your hands while cutting, slicing, or grating. They reduce injury risk, improve grip and control, prevent slips, increase confidence, save time, reduce stress, protect fingers, and make food prep faster, safer, and more efficient. Number 8, the Oddstar Jar Opener, an easy and effective way to open tight lids in seconds. It improves grip, reduces hand strain, and prevents slipping while opening jars of all sizes. Perfect for daily use, it saves time, adds convenience, and makes kitchen tasks quicker and more effortless. Simple to use, durable, and a must-have for any home. Number 9, the Utensil Stir Automatic Pan Stirrer, a hands-free tool that stirs your food automatically while you cook. It saves time, reduces effort, and prevents food from burning or sticking. Perfect for sauces, soups, and more, it lets you multitask in the kitchen with ease. Simple to use, efficient, and a great way to make cooking easier and stress-free. Number 10, the Mocaro 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater, a versatile tool that slices, shreds, and grates ingredients in seconds. It saves time, reduces manual effort, and delivers consistent results every time. Perfect for cheese, vegetables, and more, it makes meal prep faster, easier, and more efficient. Easy to use, powerful, and a great addition to any kitchen. Number 11, the Ruxa 32-inch Grabber Reacher Tool, a simple way to pick up items without bending or stretching. It saves effort, reduces strain on your back, and makes reaching high or low places easy. Perfect for everyday use, it improves convenience, keeps you comfortable, and helps you grab items safely and quickly. Lightweight, easy to use, and highly practical. Number 12. The LNNIW Waterproof Food Warming Mat. A smart way to keep your food warm and ready to serve. It distributes heat evenly, prevents food from getting cold, and is perfect for family meals or gatherings. The waterproof design makes it safe and easy to clean, while the flexible mat saves space and is easy to store. It also reduces the need for reheating, saves time, keeps food fresh longer, and makes serving more convenient and efficient. Number 13. The Bumit Electric Food Processor. A powerful tool that chops, blends, and processes ingredients in seconds. It saves time, reduces manual effort, and makes meal prep faster and easier. Perfect for vegetables, meats, and more, it delivers consistent results while reducing kitchen mess. Easy to use, efficient, and a must-have for any busy kitchen. Number 14. The Sliner Adult Sippy Cups. A practical solution for spill-free and easy drinking. Designed with a secure lid, they prevent leaks and reduce mess, making them perfect for daily use. Ideal for seniors or anyone needing extra control, they improve safety, comfort, and convenience. Durable, easy to clean, and perfect for home or travel use. Number 15. The Magnetic Beer Bottle Opener. A quick and convenient way to open bottles in seconds. It features a strong magnet that catches caps, reducing mess and keeping your space clean. Easy to mount and simple to use, it saves time, adds convenience, and makes opening bottles effortless. Perfect for kitchens, parties, or everyday use. Number 16. The Cook Helper One-Handed Gripper. A smart tool that lets you hold, grip, and handle items easily with one hand. It reduces effort, improves control, and is perfect for opening jars or holding containers steady. Ideal for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength, it makes kitchen tasks safer, easier, and more convenient. Link in the description. Number 17. The Pot Lid Lifter. A simple tool that lets you safely lift hot lids without burning your hands. It improves grip, keeps your hands away from steam, and reduces the risk of spills or accidents. It also helps prevent splashes, keeps your kitchen cleaner, and makes handling hot cookware faster and easier. Compact, easy to use, and a must-have for safer cooking. Number 18. The Pan Buddy Vertical Attachment. A smart add-on that makes handling hot pans safer and easier. It gives you a better grip, reduces wrist strain, and helps you lift or move pans with more control. Perfect for everyday cooking, it improves safety, adds comfort, and makes your kitchen tasks more efficient. Number 19. The Holana Wooden Step Stool. A sturdy and reliable way to reach high shelves and cabinets with ease. It provides extra height, improves safety, and reduces the need to stretch or strain. Perfect for kitchens, closets, or daily tasks, it offers stability, comfort, and convenience. Durable, space-saving, and easy to use. Number 20. The PsoTruth Automatic Soap Dispenser. A touchless and hygienic way to keep your hands clean. It dispenses soap automatically, reduces germs, and makes hand washing quick and convenient. Perfect for kitchens and bathrooms, it saves time, reduces mess, and improves cleanliness. All the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart kitchen finds.